So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to add audio to a video here in Alight Motion. So if I were to play this video right here and you wanted to add some audio to it, it's pretty straightforward. Make sure that the video is not selected like this. Instead, just select out of it. Then go to the bottom right, press the plus icon. Then once you're here, make sure that audio is selected and then go ahead and select view all. Now once you're on this page right here, you can add a variety of different audio here. You can add recorded files, you can add songs, you can add albums, you can add artists, whatever the case may be. So if you wanted to go ahead and check out your files, for example, or your songs, you can go ahead and do it this way. You can then select it and insert it, and then when you play your video back, the added audio will be played on your video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add audio to a video in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.